you'll find 15 acres of RVs at Wyoming's best dealer, Sonny's RVs. Here's one now.
Hey guys, I'm Raina, and today I'm going to take you through a Momentum adventure vehicle by Grand Design. It's model 22MAV, so let's take a look.
Be sure to subscribe. You'll be the first to know when new videos are available here at Sonny's RVs of Casper. For one of the largest collections of new and used RVs in Wyoming, look no further than Sonny's RVs. Sales, service, parts, they're all here under one roof at Sonny's RVs.